In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GoHighLevel A2P verification. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account dashboard and head straight to Settings. From there, open Phone System. This is the area where you manage numbers, messaging, and carrier-related compliance, so it's the right place to handle verification. Next, go to the Trust Center. The Trust Center centralizes all compliance and verification tasks, including A2P registration, so carriers recognize your brand and allow your messages to reach customers reliably. Choose A2P messaging, SMS, and start the registration. A2P stands for Application to Person Messaging, texts sent from a platform to individuals. Registration helps carriers confirm who you are and what you send, reducing filtering and blocking. You'll be asked whether your business has a tax ID. Select the option that accurately matches your situation, then continue. Enter your business name and proceed. Now fill in your business details carefully. Make sure what you type matches your official records exactly, legal name, address, and any identifiers, because mismatches are a common cause of delays. Continue when complete. Provide your contact details. First name, last name, a business email you monitor, and a reachable phone number. Select your job position. Choose a role with authority to represent the company, like director in this example. Continue, agree to the terms and conditions, and continue again. You'll confirm brand and campaign details. Enter your business name again, select the most accurate industry, add your business phone number, and continue. In the additional message details, check the required boxes to confirm you'll message only opted-in contacts, honor opt-outs, and follow content guidelines. This attestation is important for approval. Describe your use case clearly, what you send, and why. Then provide 2 sample messages that match that use case. Keep them straightforward, include your brand name, and make sure they reflect compliant practices. Continue. Select your opt-in method. Choose website form in this example. An opt-in method is how people give permission to receive texts. A website form is a page where users actively consent. Add a short highlight explaining where and how consent is captured. Then enter your opt-in form URL, the exact page that collects consent and displays your disclosure. Work through the business website compliance checklist and check all items. This confirms your site shows necessary policies and disclosures, which helps avoid filtering and speeds approval. Finally, click Review Application. You'll see a summary to confirm everything. After you review and submit, your information is sent for verification and campaign vetting. Approval can take from minutes to a few days. You'll see status updates in the Trust Center, and if anything needs fixing, you'll be prompted to adjust and resubmit. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.